Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of data structure. Today we are going to learn about the infix to postfix with parenthesized method. Even we'll see the with parenthesized how you can convert infix to postfix or infix to prefix expression conversion for with parenthesized expressions. So let me show you how we can do that. Hi, this is your instructor Janice Shah. So here are the outlines. First we need to understand about the precedence table for with parenthesized method. Then we will see the direct method to solve infix to prefix and infix to postfix. So let's start with the with precedence table. So students, you have already seen the precedence table for the previous like without parenthesized expression. As you know, in this without parenthesis expression, we do not have any type of parenthesis or we can say brackets, but here we have the brackets. So the rules are little bit changed for them. Here, if you want to remember this table, then you can do like this. You first move towards like operators like plus minus, division star, dollar arrow caret, ABCD. So the concept is pretty much similar, that the precedence is increasing. Precedence is increased as you grow up to from plus minus to division star to dollar arrow caret to ABCD. Now, but when we talk about the open bracket and closing bracket, that means the opening bracket and closing bracket in the with parenthesized method, then it will be little bit different. Here, for the conversion, we are going to consider this precedence table for two different types of values. This precedence table is based for the infix to postfix, wherefore when we talk about the tabulation method. Okay, so here you can see the precedence table is like this, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 6 is different for the exponential operators. Okay, here we have different precedence for different columns. We usually consider the two columns, the one with the precedence values of the character scan column and another is with the precedence value with the stack column. So there are different precedence for the different operators in the different columns. Like plus minus has the precedence 1 in the character scan column, plus minus has the precedence 2 in the stack column. Same like that, division minus has precedence 3 in the character scan column, but in stack it goes 4. For the exponential operator, I already told you that exponential operator has higher precedence outside the stack and the lower precedence inside the stack. So here it is, you can see that 5 and 6. So 5 is there for inside the stack and 6 is there for outside the stack. So it goes like this when we talk about this, like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 5 and 6 for the exponential operators. Then we have 7 8 for the ABCD. Then 9 0 0 dash. Students, 9, that means your opening bracket has highest precedence whenever it is in character scan column. But what about the rest one? When we talk about the precedence of opening bracket inside the stack, so when the opening bracket goes inside the stack, its precedence is nothing. That means you can say 0. Same like that, the closing bracket precedence in character scan column is 0. We are not going to take the closing bracket inside the stack. How? That we will see in the tabulation method of infix to postfix. But right now we'll talk about the direct method to convert infix to postfix or infix to prefix. Here, for the conversion of infix to postfix or infix to prefix, you need to remember some basic rules. See, for parenthesized expression, first you need to solve your inner bracket, then outer. Okay, so first if you have like A plus brackets B plus bracket C minus D bracket complete. So you just need to solve inner bracket C minus D first, then B plus C, and then the outer part. Okay, so who has the highest priority to solve the equation? The inner bracket has highest priority to solve the equation. Okay, now for converting the infix expression into the postfix or prefix, first you need to check the precedence of the operator from the given infix string. See, you just first need to identify that which bracket you want to solve. After taking or after identifying that which bracket you want to solve, you just need to start with the operator with the highest precedence. So rules are basically same as the previous, that $@ has the highest precedence, then division star, and division star has the highest precedence, then plus minus. So rules are similar, but you just have to follow. If I have plus inside the brackets and dollar outside the bracket, so your priority to solve plus first, because we are going to solve bracket first. So first do the conversion of the operator whose precedence is more than all other in the string. Now, in the case of the same precedence, the rules are similar over here, students. If you have found the same precedence like plus minus, then starts from left to right. And if we talk about the $@, then it goes from right to left. So these all the basic rules for the direct method conversion are very much similar. So here I'm just representing the points that we already know, that if we have the operator like $@, then you just need to start from right to left. Else, if you found the plus minus division star together, then go from left to right. Okay, so now let's take the example of infix to postfix conversion, very first example. This is all about the parenthesized method. Now, students, first we have bracket A plus B, bracket complete, closing bracket, star C. So what people are doing usually, that if we found like A plus B star C, so star has the highest precedence, then we need to solve star first. Wait, students, here we have opening bracket A plus B, closing bracket star C. So what we need to do is, we just need to first solve bracket. Our priority is our bracket. That's why the output of this is become AB plus. First we need to solve the bracket. Okay, so first we need to solve A plus B, that becomes AB plus. Then we have star C. So now you can solve the whole equation. Okay, so it becomes AB plus C star. On the very next step, students, we have another example, that is A plus opening bracket B minus opening bracket C division D closing $E closing star F. So if you found the operator with the highest precedence, then we have dollar with us. So do you want to start with the dollar? Is this a correct way? No. Why? Because this is not without parenthesis. It's a big parenthesis method. So what is our duty? Our duty is to focus first on the inner bracket of the expression. So here if you can take a look, then the inner bracket is C division D. Outer bracket is B and E, but inner we have C division D. So students, we need to first solve C division D. C division D becomes C division. Now we already know how to solve the postfix expression. Not going to elaborate in the deep. Okay, so we need to solve C division D, that becomes C division. Now the next step. See, the C division is completely solved now, so it becomes one operand. Now in the bracket we have B star C division $E. B star C division $E. So what I need to solve over here? See, instead of star and dollar, which one has the highest precedence? Dollar. So start with the dollar. So we are going to solve C D division $E. It converts into C division E dollar. Now, after solving C division E dollar, we get B minus C division E dollar. So we just need to combine operands together and put the minus after that. So it becomes B C division E dollar minus B C division E dollar minus. Then we have C. we have A plus B CD division E dollar minus star F. So students, now which operators are remaining? Only plus and star. Plus star has highest precedence. So combine the terminology B, CD and F together. Put star after it. So it goes like this: A plus B CD division E dollar minus F star. So after solving it, what we left? We just have the plus with us. So this becomes our final answer, that A B C D division E dollar minus F star plus. Remember, after once you solve this, just remove the brackets from the equations. Okay. So this is your answer. This is how you can solve the big parenthesized method. So this is your answer. Now the next one we have the third example of the infix to postfix. Here we have A plus opening bracket B star C minus D closing one, then plus opening bracket E dollar opening bracket F caret G minus H closing. So how to solve this, students? In this example, we just first is to focus on the inner brackets. So first we need to solve the F caret G minus H. In this string, we can convert FG caret. Okay, you can do that, FG caret, and solve it like this: FG caret minus H. FG caret minus H becomes FG caret H minus. So, okay, you can do that, FG caret H minus. Now what will be the next one? Okay, let me just take it out. What will be the next one? If we talk about the FG caret H minus, then we have another bracket. See, now the priorities of the both brackets are same, because both have only one brackets, like BCD and EFGH. All the terms as same brackets. Inner brackets has already been solved. So you can solve both brackets simultaneously. If I am talking about the BCD, then BC solved first, it turns into BC caret minus D. BC caret minus D. And when we talk about the E dollar term, it becomes E dollar EFG caret H minus dollar. So it goes like this: BC star minus D and EFG caret H minus dollar. Now what happens? We have the plus and minus remaining. So BC star minus D, that minus comes together and becomes BC star D minus. BC star D minus, and students, the final answer goes like this: ABC star D minus plus the whole term of the E is just combined together, and you just need to put the plus at the end. So my final answer goes like this: ABC star D minus plus EFG caret H minus dollar plus. So successfully, students, you can convert your infix expression into postfix by using with parenthesized method. Now, if I am talking about the prefix, the system goes like the same. If I am going to solve A plus B star C, how? Plus it solve A plus B, so it goes like this: plus AB star C. Now, what about the star? So star will come first, so it goes like this: star plus ABC. Fine. Now, let's take the next example. The example is A plus opening bracket B minus opening bracket C division D closing one dollar E star F. So in this whole equation, students, we need to first solve the inner bracket, and our inner bracket is C division D. So first when I'll solve it, it becomes division CD. It becomes division CD. Now the next step, okay, I'm not going to show you the answer. Just solve it together. When first we solve CD division D, becomes division CD. What happens in the next students? We have minus and dollar both. We have minus and dollar both. But first we need to take dollar. Okay, good. So it becomes dollar division CD. See, dollar division CD. After solving it, it becomes minus goes ahead, so it becomes minus B dollar division CDE, minus B dollar division CDE. Now what up to the next? Now we just left plus and star with us. So first solve star, then we will go with the plus. So it becomes like this: star will move ahead, so it becomes star minus B dollar division CDE F. Now when we talk about the last statement, for plus go ahead and you just go to combine both of them, and then you will get the final answer. Right? So what about the third sum? This you just need to do by yourself. Okay. So that's it all about today's lecture, students. We learn how can we convert your infix to prefix or infix to postfix expression, all about the with parenthesized method. This is a direct method to convert infix to prefix and infix to postfix. In the next lecture, we will talk about how can we do the algorithm or how can we perform the tabulation method to convert our with parenthesized infix to postfix method. Okay, so till that, if you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.